Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to make a request to the Flow API using Postman. Okay, so for this request, we're using this endpoint URL. This endpoint URL will fetch the metadata of the flows present in my tenant. So it's a simple GET request and it will, we need to pass two headers for this one. Okay, the first one, Expumi Flow API key, is for authenticating the request using the API keys in Flow. And the many-who tenant is basically the tenant ID for which we want to retrieve the metadata. All right, let me go to the flow and capture these values. Okay, so I'm going to the user settings page where I have this API keys and I'll be using this one for the request. And the tenant ID. Okay. Now let's just send the request and see if it goes through or not. Perfect. So as you can see, the request is successful and also the response is nothing but the metadata as I've mentioned before. So if you can see, it shows all the details about the flow, time of creation, the date modified, the name, the ID, the version ID, and all this metadata, who created it, who owned it, who modified it, and all this information. So this is how we use API keys to make a request. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.